Hey guys, hey, I continue doing my challenge. Speak English every day until get fluent. Speak on camera, yeah? To improve speaking skill. This is like my goal right now, because I am English learner. This is like the main hobby, the main occupation in my life, what I'm doing. And talking on camera really helps me to make progress. And this is day number 33. Today we will talk about plants. Yeah, this is IELTS topic for discussion. Plants sound good, yeah? About trees, about environment, something like this. All right, let's get started right now. First question: do you like plants? Yes, I like plants. I don't hate plants at all, because plants are really useful for this planet, for environment, for for oxygen level in our planet Earth. And this is just beautiful. This is beautiful. See green plants, see leaves, see this stems, yeah, stems. Part of tree. Sorry, stems. So yeah, I like plants. What sort of plants have you grown? Now in my home village we have a country house with a big backyard. When we got a big orchard with different types of plants and trees. And I still remember when I was a kid with my father, we went to some garden store, yeah, shop, and bought some small trees to plant it into the ground, and after several years it's gonna be grown, and it's gonna be a big tree. Yeah? So in our orchard, what do we got? We got obviously apple tree, pear tree, yeah, cherry, prunes. If I'm not mistaken, sorry, because this is difficult to name a type of trees, yeah? What else? We have a Christmas tree in our territory, like pine trees. So yeah, we planted it and totally enjoy our greenery orchard, because especially first of all, in the spring, we can observe and enjoy just this tree blossom season, yeah? You see flowers, small flowers, white flowers, and the trees branches. And in the summer, where it got greenery, it makes a little like shade, comfortable shade, and we can put some what is this? How is this? How it is called? When you using a rope tied between two trees, like a mat for living and relaxing, and you can rock in this what is this? Hammock, in the hammock, yeah, obviously. By the way, in my room we also have trees, but this is artificial trees, not natural. So you can check this out. Just for eyes, yeah, pleasant for eyes thing. You can see green leaves. This is a stem, yeah, called stem, and this is like just green mat, lawn, just lawn. And this poster you can put it on the wall by the nail, and just beautiful, yeah, beautiful. Would you ever give a plant as a gift? Yeah, I will give a plant as a gift. It's a great gift, really. But I prefer, if you give some flowers, for example, I'm not really a fan of presenting, the standard flowers what was torn. I will better present the flower in a big pot, with the what was like too rotten with the roots, You know what I'm saying? Roots. Because this is alive, this is a pot flower, and it will grow up in the future. This is getting bigger and better and beautiful. Flowers will restore, there is gonna be die after, completely die after 3 or 5 days and just fade away. Yeah, completely. Alright guys, this kind of questions about plants. Really interesting, like plants. In the future I would like to, in my house, my home, to get a really plantation. So yeah guys, thank you, bye bye, see you tomorrow.